school, they taught me how to write, to take the chalk and make my mark and hope it turns out right. That's the way it is with love and what you've done to me. I wrote it so you know that I was yours eternally. But my tears have washed I love you from the blackboard of my heart. It's too late to clean the slate and make a brand new start. I'm satisfied the way things are, though we're far apart. My tears have washed I love you from the blackboard of my heart. If you've been true the way you should and not have gone astray, my tears would not have fallen down and washed the words away. No need to talk, for if the chalk should write these words again, it would be for someone else, not them.